Welcome to MT Engineering. In this series of tutorials, we are going to innovate best solution for this COVID-19 pandemic. This hand wash will help many people to avoid hand contamination since it only works when the person pushes the ladder with his foot. So I think it will help you to boost both your innovation. Choose circle, choose right plane, then draw a circle from this center, couple of circles, and go to smart dimension, specify the dimension of this circle, the outer circle around 23 millimeter, and the inside circle around 14 millimeter, and go to feature, extrude both bays, extrude it around 2 millimeter, then click OK. Now the first part is done, which is the washer. The second part, click parts and OK. Now choose circle and right plane, draw a circle, go to smart dimension and specify the diameter of this circle. The diameter is 31, and go to features, extrude both bays, then extrude it 2.5 millimeter. Now again choose this face and sketch, go to circle, draw a circle which is concentric with the previous circle, and specify the dimension of 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter. Then go to extrude cut. It will cut 1 millimeter toward this to inside. Then again choose this face, sketch, and choose polygon, choose the center, and go to smart dimension. Side to side distance is 21 millimeter. Go to features, extrude both bays, extrude it around 9 millimeter. Here choose this face and go to circle, draw a circle, and define the diameter of this circle, 10 millimeter. Go to features, extrude cut, choose through all so it will cut up to the end. Our next part, choose part, open, choose line and select top plane, draw a line, right click, construction geometry, it will make construction line. Again choose line, draw a line, right click, select, it will exit the line, and again choose 3-point arc, choose this point and around there. Now choose this midpoint and this point and make it coincidence. Again go to smart dimension, specify the angle between these two lines, which is 14 degree, and specify the height of 45. Now it is not properly, so choose this point, drag it around here and drag it around here, join them, and here select these two and make them horizontal. Now we have to define some distance. Go to smart dimension and type a distance around 2 millimeter. Later we will change this and go to fillet, specify the radius of the fillet. Now I think it is okay, click OK, exit the fillet, go to smart dimension, specify the radius of this arc, 88 millimeter. Go to trim entities and trim this unnecessary line, then click OK. It shows error message, so choose no found solution and diagnosis, then by default you'll get the solution. Then double click this dimension and edit this, which is about 6 millimeter. Now choose line, draw a line from this point and right click, select, now choose these two pointers. No, first we have to trim this line and this inner side, then exit trim command, choose this arc and this line and make it tangent. Go to smart dimension and specify the radius of this arc, and here 2.5 millimeter. Exit smart dimension. Here specify the height 43 millimeter. Choose this line and this arc and this fillet. We have to mirror it with the center line. Mirror about the center line, then click OK. Now it is closed. We have to add some fillet here. Go to fillet, choose this point, increase the radius of the fillet to 10 millimeter, then click OK. Again choose circle, draw a circle here and specify the diameter of this circle to 5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, sorry. Zoom it a little bit and specify this height to 5 millimeter and go to features, extrude both base, then extrude it around 5 millimeter, then click OK. Here we forgot to add some thing, so edit this part, choose fillet, specify the radius to 2 millimeter, choose this edge and this edge, then click OK. Exit fillet, increase this distance to 3 millimeter. Now I think it is good. Exit the sketch, choose this face, sketch, then draw a line, choose line, draw center line here, convert into construction, make it construction geometry, choose this face and convert into this, then choose a line and draw a line around here. Again choose line, draw a line around here. Try to avoid these instant constraints. Then select this line, make it vertical, choose this line and this line, and this center line, make it symmetric. Then draw a line from around this point to there, make it horizontal. Then go to trim entities and trim this outer line. Then go to smart dimension, specify the distance between these two lines to 6 mm and specify the height from this point around 16 mm, and go to features, extrude boss base, choose this face and this contour and specify the height to 12 mm, then click OK. Here choose again this face, then draw a line here to close this gap. Again choose this face and convert entities, go to trim and trim these unnecessary lines. Now it is ready. Go to extrude cut it around 1 mm. Here again choose red plane sketch, then choose line and draw line, inclined line, and to close a gap. Now let's go to smart dimension, specify the distance 12 mm. Now it is ready. Go to features, extrude cut through all pose, then click OK. We have to edit this sketch. We have to add a circle, then go to smart dimension, specify the diameter of the circle to 3 mm and place it in a proper position. Then exit the sketch. Now there is a hole in this face. Go to fillet and choose this edge and this edge. Decrease the radius of the fillet to 2 mm. Then click OK. Again choose this edge and make fillet, and again this edge. Then click OK. Now I think it is ready, but choose this face and go to offset entities, reverse the direction, offset 5 mm or 2 mm, Go to features, extrude cut it towards inside around 1 millimeter. Now I think it is ready. Open new part and here choose right plane, sketch and draw a circle. And define the dimension to 14 millimeter and here the inner circle to 10 millimeter. Then extrude it around 60 millimeter. Choose this face and sketch, and again choose this edge and convert entities. Draw a circle around here and define this dimension. $23mm. Go to features, extrude both base, extrude it around 4mm, then click OK. Again choose this face and sketch. Back to wireframe, choose this edge and the inner convert entities. Back to solid edges. Go to features, again extrude both base, extrude it around 16mm. So choose front plane and choose front plane and sketch. Here choose line, draw a line for only construction, make it construction geometry, make it vertical. Now here go to smart dimension and specify the distance between this edge and this line to 16mm. Again choose this point and this point, specify the height to 32mm, 23mm. And go to exit sketch. Again choose top plane and we make a plane parallel to this plane at this that passes through this point, then click OK. Now we get this plane, sketch here and choose a circle, draw a circle, then choose this point and this, make pierce. Now it is centered, the center is out at this point, and define the dimension. Make it driven dimension. Then extrude both base, extrude it downward around 8 mm. Then click OK. Again, choose this face and hide. Choose front plane and sketch. Flip normal. And here we do some geometry. We'll make some geometry. Draw a line. Choose this line and convert into this. Make it construction geometry. Make it construction line. And here choose this edge and convert into this. And again this is converted. And again choose this and make it construction. Choose this edge and make them collinear. Here specify the height. Now it is fully defined, so go to revolved boss base. Then choose this axis. Then click OK. We have to edit this around 10 or 5 mm. Click update. And here choose this face and sketch. Convert into this. Again this edge and convert into this. Go to features, extrude boss base. Extrude it up to this face. So choose up to surface and to choose this face. Then click OK. Now it is too long, so we have to decrease this. Edit. Type around 2 mm. And again click update. I think it is perfect. So go to thread. Click OK, and here choose this edge. It starts from this and specify the length of this thread to it is too long. We have to decrease this around 12 mm. Make it extrude thread so that it will add this thread on this face. Here choose this edge and to make it smoothen, we have to add a chamfer on this edge. Then again choose this edge and specify 1 mm, then click OK. And here again choose thread, OK, and again choose this edge. And choose this face, specify the end condition, I think 8 is good. Again we have to make it extrude thread, choose extrude thread right here and click OK. And choose this front plane and sketch. Here we will add new geometry. Click 3-point arcs and draw an arc around here. Choose line, draw a line from this point around here and there, then exit the line. Again convert this line, make it construction geometry, and here we will specify this dimension. Keep the radius around 60 mm, I think, or we will have to delete some constraints. First exit smart dimension, choose this vertical and delete this relation, so it will not longer be vertical line. And here specify the dimension, the angle to 50 degrees, and the height to 12 mm, and choose this edge and this central line and specify 23 mm, then exit the sketch. Now we get this sketch. Here we will add some plane that pass through the front line. So choose plane, choose front plane and choose this line. Now it makes a plane that pass through this and perpendicular to the first plane, the front plane, and choose this plane in the sketch. Choose corner rectangle, center rectangle, and here draw rectangle. Specify the dimension. And again choose this line and this, make it midpoint. Choose this line and this point, and again make it midpoint. Now it is fully defined. So we have to draw again some sketches. Hide this. Here again choose this face and sketch. Choose this edge and convert into this. Then exit the sketch. Now it is ready. Choose Lofted boss base. Choose this line and this, and here we have to add the guide curve. Right click selection manager, choose this line, then click OK. Again right click selection manager, choose this line, make it group selection and click OK. Now it is ready. We have to cut some parts to allow the flow of the water. So choose this face and sketch, draw a center rectangle here and specify the dimension of this rectangle. Now it is fully defined. So exit the sketch. Here again choose plane and choose this arc. Then click OK. It will make a plane that passes through this arc. Choose this face and sketch, flip, then draw a circle here. Go to smart dimension, specify the diameter of this circle. Around here, exit the sketch. Go to 3D sketch and choose 3-point arc. Choose this midpoint and this arc. Then right click select and choose right the front plane and normal. Try to adjust this arc. First specify the radius of this arc to 50 mm. Now our guide curve is ready. Similar but opposite from the previous, choose Lofted cut. Choose this point of the sketch and choose this, and as a guide curve select manager, choose this line and click OK. Now it will cut through this guide curve, then click OK. Now our part is choose this face and sketch, choose the inside edge and convert entities, go to features, extrude cut. Here we will cut something around, drag it a little bit around here, then click OK. Now the water can pass with this shape, and here add fillet around 2 mm. Add a fillet here again. Three millimeter. You can see the section view. And here we will add some fillet. And decrease the diameter, the radius of the fillet. Choose this plane and sketch, and again convert entities, go to features, extrude both base, extrude it around 1 mm. To see this feature, you can section this and we filled this gap. So again choose this face and sketch, choose this edge and convert entities, make it construction geometry, go to circle, draw a circle and specify the dimension of this circle. Convert entities, choose this circle and this, make it concentric, and choose this circle and make it for construction, then click OK. Here our sketch is ready. Go to extrude boss base, extrude it around 1 millimeter. Choose this face and sketch and convert entities. Here we have to trim some feature. Choose extrude cut, cut it towards downward around 2 millimeter. Now there is an opening here. Choose this edge and add a fillet of 0.5 millimeter. Choose this plane and height. Choose the sketch, this sketch, and up to this point make the plane. So choose this plane and sketch. Normal to this face and draw a line. Specify the length of this line. And here keep mid plane and type 1 millimeter or 0.5 is enough, and click OK. Our part is disappeared since it is cut. So edit this sketch, we have to edit this. Here we will do one thing, delete this relation and choose this and this edge, make it tangent. Oh, I think it is wrong. So go to wireframe to see it better. So choose this inside edge and this line and make it collinear. here again, back to wireframe, solid edges, and drag it around here and exit the sketch. Now it is automatically updated. Now it is ready. So choose this feature, go to circular pattern and choose the direction, specify the number, and here choose instances to escape which passes this, and now our part is ready. Hide this sketch and this sketch. You can add an appearance or edit material. Go to plastic, choose here PVC rigid and apply close. Now our part is ready. Here open a part. First we will make some parts and we will finally make an assembly. The first assembly, and here specify the circle diameter, exit the sketch and go to spiral and helix. Constant pitch and make it taper 20°. Flip it to inside. Choose height to 23 and pitch to 5mm and then click OK. Choose top plane, sketch, and choose this line and convert entities. Draw some lines. Make it construction geometry. Similarly, draw another lines. Make it construction geometry. Exit the sketch. Now first we have to trim some unnecessary parts. Go to trim entities and trim this arc and so exit the sketch. Now the sketch is ready, so go to swept post base, choose circular profile and type the diameter to 0.5. Choose this, then click OK. Again choose swept post base, then choose this profile, choose circular profile and choose this sketch, then click OK. So we can apply the material. Here is our next part. Choose new part and click OK. Choose top plane, sketch, draw circles, specify the diameter of the circle to 30 mm. Then choose extrude post base, extrude it around 2 mm. Choose this face and sketch. Choose circle, draw circle here. Specify this diameter. Then again choose extrude post base, extrude it around 8 mm. Then click OK. Again choose this face, sketch, choose circle, draw circles here. Choose smart dimension, specify the dimension of these circles. Go to features in the extrude post base, choose this contour and this, and specify the height to 3 mm. Then click OK. Choose this face and go to thread. Choose OK. Choose this edge. And here click OK. Now we get this thread. So choose this face and sketch. We have to cut this part, then go to extrude cut. Again choose this face and sketch. Choose circle. Specify the diameter of this circle. Then again choose this edge and convert entities. Then click OK. Go to features, extrude both base, extrude it around 0.5 millimeter. Then click OK. The next part, open part, choose right plane and sketch, draw a circle, choose extrude both base, extrude it around 5 millimeter, and choose this face, sketch, again convert entities, draw a circle here, specify the diameter to 9, go to features and extrude both base, extrude it around 17 minus 5 millimeter, which is 12 millimeter. Choose this face, sketch, draw a circle here, specify the diameter of this circle. The diameter is 4 millimeter. Now we have to decrease this to 3 millimeter. Here we have to extrude it a little bit bigger, type around 32 millimeter. And again choose this face, sketch, and choose circle, draw a circle. Exit smart dimension, again draw a circle here, go to smart dimension and specify this diameter, go to features, extrude both base, extrude it around 6 millimeter. Then click OK. We have to fill this gap, so choose this face. Choose this face and sketch. Go to convert entities, convert this edge and extrude it around 0.5 millimeter or 0.25 millimeter. Choose this face and sketch. Convert entities. Draw a circle here. And click OK. Here we will cut some parts. Choose circle. Draw a circle here. Define the dimension. Around 1.5 millimeter. Then choose extrude cut. Then cut it through all bows. Click OK. Now our part is ready. You can edit the material by choose right click and edit material. Here specify the material, PVC plasticized, apply and close it. Now the assembly of this tab. Choose assembly and click OK. Choose here part. Choose all of these parts we did in the previous videos. Open them. Place it here. Place it here and place it here. This key, here rotate it with Z direction, Z axis, place it here. So the first part will be fixed. Right click, make it float. Here we want this part to be fixed, so choose this part, right click, make it fix. Now it is fixed. So drag it, click shift and drag it here, choose mate, choose this face, concentric mate and click OK. Again choose this face and this, click OK. Choose this face and this face, coincidence mate, click OK. Here we have to add another mate, similarly concentric mate, drag it around there. Again choose this face and this washer and click OK. Choose this face and this, then click OK. Choose this face and this, concentric mate, choose this and this face, again concentric mate. Show axis, go to move component and rotate component, choose this part, and try to flip it. Drag it around here. Now I think it is right in the right position. Here, choose this front plane of this part, mate, and here choose the right plane of this spring, then mate, coincidence mate, click OK. Choose the front plane of this spring and the right plane of this part, then click OK. Now it is properly centered with this feature. Then choose this circular face and make tangent mate. Choose this face and here this face, make it coincidence mate, then click OK. Choose this face and this face, coincidence mate, click OK. Now here we have to edit this part. Choose this and increase this height around 37mm. Update this change. Here we need to place this at the middle, add this mate, choose this face, circular mate, and click OK. Choose this face and this face here. Between this middle we created this plane, so choose this face, mate, with this front plane. Now click OK. Hide this plane. Now our assembly is ready. Here we will make the rest of parts. Go to part and click OK. Choose top plane, sketch a rectangle, specify the distance to 70mm and here to 20mm. Draw a circle here. One millimeter. Choose the center. After this, keep the distance 1.5mm. Exit the dimension. Choose the center. and this make it vertical. Extrude both base and extrude it around 6mm. Then click OK. Again, choose this face in the sketch, draw a line, don't choose the center. Choose circle, draw a circle here and here. Specify this diameter. One 1.5mm. And here specify this distance to 2mm, this to 40mm. Choose this edge, from this edge to this center to 2mm. Go to features, extrude cuts, choose through all and click OK. Again, we will add an appearance. Go to appearance, choose organic, and here we will add some wood appearance. Choose this polished wood. New parts, choose parts, then click OK. Choose top plane and sketch. Draw center circle. Extrude both base. Go to 3D sketch. Draw in the Y direction and in the X direction, down in the Y direction. Specify this length to 25mm and here 10mm, this one to 9mm. Then choose fillet, add a fillet of 5mm to this edge and 4mm to this edge, then click OK. Go to sweep both base, choose circular profile, specify the diameter then click OK. Here we will make a thread, choose thread, choose this edge, make sure it is extrude thread and click OK. Here is some unnecessary parts, so we have to trim this. Go to extrude cut. Okay. Again, choose top plane, sketch, draw circle, specify the diameter to 10 mm. Go to features and choose helix and spiral. Here, make sure the height is 10 mm and the pitch is 1.5. All are good, then click OK. So choose this edge and go to plane, choose top plane, then click OK. So choose this plane and sketch. Here we will add some spline, choose this point up to this, adjust this spline, drag it around here, then exit the sketch. Go to go to 3D sketch and choose a line, draw a line in the Y direction, in the X direction, at this direction, choose fillet, choose this edge, specify the distance, the radius of this fillet, then click OK. Make sure this is along. Choose this line and make sure it is along in X direction. Now it is fully defined. So choose features and swept both base. Go to circular profile. And specify the diameter. This is too big, so we decrease this to 0.5 millimeter, then click OK. Again, choose swept post base, choose this circular profile 0.5 millimeter, choose this line and click OK. Again, choose circular profile 0.5 millimeter and choose this helix, then click OK. Here similarly choose this endpoint and go to plane, choose this plane, it will make parallel to this plane. Again, sketch on this plane, draw a spline start from this point to this around there, adjust this, I think it is good. Edit the sketch, here go to 3D sketch, choose a line, draw a line in the y direction and in this x direction. Similarly, add a fillet of 2 mm, specify this distance, and this side to 4 mm. Then exit the sketch, go to swept post base, .5 mm, then click OK. Similarly, go to swept post base, choose this line, click OK, go to circular features 0.5 mm, choose this line, then click OK. Head this plane, also this helix, here our part is ready. The next part, open new part, choose 3D sketch, here we will draw 3D sketch. It is kind of tricky, but make sure try to do as I do. First we will draw some sketches and we will add a dimension, specify the dimension of this sketch. Finally we go to features and choose sweep to post base. Here we will make the main frame of this handwash. Choose front plane, sketch, draw center rectangle, and specify the height and the width of this rectangle. $200mm, and here 180mm. Then go to features, reverse the direction, and type 180mm. Then click OK. To fit the screen, press F. Choose the top face and sketch. Choose circle and draw a circle here, and specify the dimension of this circle. This distance 60mm, and here 60mm. Exit the sketch, go to curves, split curve, and choose this face, then click OK. This part is splitted. First we add a fillet here. The fillet radius 40mm. Again, choose this edge and this edge. Click OK. Choose this face and sketch. Again, choose circle, draw a circle here, specify the dimension, $14mm, and the distance to 20mm. This horizontal distance from this line to this point is 70mm. Then click OK. Go to curves, split curve. The first sketch is selected already. Choose this face, then click OK. Again, this face is separated. So here we go to shell. To make it hollow, type the thickness of the shell and choose the face to be removed. We choose these two faces, then click OK. Now you can see the section view of this sketch. Choose top plane, and here you can see how the shell features works. This then exit section view, and choose this bottom face and sketch. Here draw a center rectangle, choose rectangle here, draw a rectangle from this center, choose this midpoint and this midpoint. Again, choose this midpoint and this midpoint, make it horizontal. Again, choose this and this midpoint, make it vertical. This is properly centered with this squared. And it is fully defined. Exit the sketch and go to extrude post base. Type the dimension to 5 mm, then click OK. Here we will add some. Go to 3D sketch. We have to draw the legs, the stand, draw a line, hover around this area and draw a line in this direction to this point. Right click, select, choose this line and make it in the Y direction. Choose this line and this line, make it equal. I think it is good. We'll make the same thing in the opposite direction. So here we will add the same sketch. Go to line, choose this point, draw a line from this point in the Y direction and in this direction, and choose this point, right click, select, so that we can exit the sketch. And similarly choose this line and this line, make them equal. Also with this line, make it equal. Find this dimension, this length is to 300 mm. Again choose line, hover, find the center of this, and again choose this center, draw a rectangle like this. Similarly at the bottom, choose this line, this line, draw A in X direction and join it finally. Then specify the dimension. This height to 60 mm. Right click, exit the dimension, smart dimension, and here make it in Z direction. Now it is fully defined. Here we will add some structural members. Go to structural members, choose the standard to ISO, type pipe, and the size here, the smallest one, and choose this line. Here we will add choose again this line and this line. Again, make new group. Then click OK. Again, go to structural members, and here we will choose a square tube, the size, the smallest one. Choose new group, and here we will add these square tubes here. Then click OK. These structural members are too big, so we edit this from this sketch. Choose edit this sketch, the inner diameter to 7 and the outer diameter to 10 millimeter. Then exit the sketch. It is automatically updated, but here this part is not updated. We have to again edit this. Go to sketch, edit, and here zoom it a little bit, and here we will reduce this to 3 millimeter. Take this one to 10 millimeter. Then exit the sketch. Now it is properly set. Here we will add some thread. Go to thread, click OK here, and choose the bottom edge. It will cut this part. Then left this extrude cut thread, and click OK. So this is good. Again, in this we add thread, click OK, and choose this face, then click OK. Here is another thread. Hide this sketch, choose this, again zoom it, and choose this face, sketch, here we will add center line from this point around there. Right click, make it construction geometry. Go to corner center rectangle, draw rectangle, choose this point and this point, make it horizontal. Go to features, smart dimension, 10 millimeter, and this one also 10 millimeter. Specify this distance to 16 millimeter. Again this to 5 millimeter. Exit smart dimension. Choose this line and this line, and this makes them symmetric. Again choose this line, deselect this line. Here we make it equal. This line and this line, make it equal so that it will be fully defined. Go to features, extrude both base, extrude it around 52 millimeter. Choose this face and sketch. Choose circle, draw a circle on this face. Make it vertical with this center point. Specify the dimension. .75 millimeter. Go to extrude both base. Extrude it up to surface and choose this surface. Then click OK. Choose this face and sketch. Again choose rectangle. And draw here and specify the dimension of this rectangle. 5 millimeter. We have to flip this direction. And type 40 millimeter. Then click OK. Again choose sketch. Click OK. Here we will add some sketch. First draw center line. Make it construction geometry. Go to circle and draw a circle. Then exit the sketch. Go to extrude cuts. Then click OK. Here draw a rectangle. And specify the dimension to 10 millimeter. choose this line up to this, specify this height to 10 millimeter. Go to features, extrude both base and extrude it around 20 millimeter, then click OK. Choose fillet and face fillet. Choose this face, this one and this face, then click OK. Again here we'll add choose this and this face, go to tools, insert and go to move and copy. Here we will choose this one, make sure that the copy is checked and drag it a little around there. It looks perfect here, then click OK. Oh, it is not properly placed, so we have to edit this. Click and edit. Drag it down. $105 millimeter. Then I think it is correct. Choose this face, sketch and convert entities. Convert this and here we will extrude this. Go to features and choose extrude with base. Extrude it around here. Then click OK. Choose this face and sketch. Here we will have to draw a line. We will have to edit this, exit this sketch, and after that go to this split curve and here edit this sketch, decrease this to 30 millimeter, then exit the sketch. It is automatically updated. Draw a rectangle here. Specify this dimension. Similarly 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter. This height to 5 millimeter. Then go to features and extrude it both base. Extrude it around 15 millimeter. And click OK. Similarly, we have to add face fillet. Then click OK. Again, choose this face. Draw a circle here. we will add a hole, specify this dimension, two millimeter, go to features, extrude cut, again choose this face and sketch, draw a circle here, similarly 2 millimeter diameter, then go to features, extrude cut, drag it down that passes these two features, then click OK. Again choose plane, choose this face and this face, then here we will make this plane that is tangent to both of these faces. Again choose sketch and here click OK. Draw a rectangle here and another rectangle that has the same center. And this height to 128 millimeter. And then go to features, extrude both base, extrude this around 40 millimeter or 50 millimeter, 60 millimeter. Here we will fill this gap, show this sketch, edit this sketch and can choose this bottom face, choose this line, this edge, these rectangle edges, and choose convert entities. Then extrude both base, extrude it around small distance, 2 millimeter, then click OK. Again choose this face choose this circle, draw a circle here, specify the diameter and this distance. Again, split this. Here we will edit this and extrude cut. Go to 3D sketch and choose a spline. Draw a spline from this center along this direction around this point down there. Exit this sketch, go to features, swept post base. Here choose this edge and this sketch. Go to team features and make the gap 0.5 millimeter. Then click OK. Now part is ready. Here we only remain to add an appearance. Choose this face and make an appearance around black. And choose this face, then go to appearance, choose body, this part is ready. We finished the main frame of the handle. Welcome back to MT Engineering. This is the final assembly of this handle using Solidworks, and here we will see many assembly command and assembly mates, and finally we will add this cool animation on it. I hope you'll enjoy it, so keep watching. Open assembly. Here we are in SolidWorks assembly interface. So choose parts, then choose all the parts. Then open a part. By default, the first part inserted will be fixed. We can manually change this. We have to flip this direction in Y direction, rotate it, then place it here. Click OK. Make it float, then we can easily drag it around there. Then choose this face and this face, mate, concentric mate. We have to fix this part. Right click on this part and click fix. Hide this origin point, then choose this face and mate, scroll it down, go to advanced mate and choose width mate. Again, this opposite face, this face and the corresponding face, then click OK. And here we have to go to standard mate and choose concentric mate, choose this circle, then click OK. Again, choose this face and this inside circular face and click OK. Then you have to place this spring in the right position. So choose this face and the spring, then click OK. First drag this spring down, then we have to make tangent mate here. Choose this face and this face, make it tangent, then click OK. Then here drag it around there. It is unnecessary constraint, so go to this mate selection and choose clear selection, then choose this circular edge and again this circular edge, choose concentric mate and here click OK. Choose this face and this face, coincidence mate, OK. Here we have to add the tap. Go to insert components, choose the tap and place it here. Drag this around here, then we have to make it flexible, so right click, component properties and make it flexible. Now it is flexible. choose this and hide. Section this view and choose this circular face and mate with this circular face. Apply concentric mate, then click OK. Drag it around here. Oh, it's wrong mate selection, so delete them. Choose this face and this, then click OK. Try to adjust it in the right direction. First exit mate and try to rotate it. Here I think it is in the right position, so we have to specify to lock this rotation, the rotation of this tab. So we have to choose this concentric mate and edit features. We have to edit this. Only choose lock rotation checkbox, then click OK. Now it will not rotate. Here we have to add one mate. Choose this face, then concentric mate, then click OK. This handle will give the water when we press the bottom ladder. Drag it around there. Here we are enable auto key creation, so drag it there and switch to any view you want. Scroll it around here, tap this and choose the view. Again, scroll it around here, tap here and towards the top of this handles. You can also do this by using manual key creation, but here I prefer auto key creation. Here is the section. So right click, disable auto key creation. So when we change the position of this handles, we can't get automatic key that we don't want. Here is the final animation of these handles. I think you are enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Keep creating.